Welcome to the next video in our series on business transformation through advanced technology. Today we will talk about a powerful tool that is changing the way companies make strategic decisions: the simulation of complex scenarios using artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. I will show you how companies can use these technologies to foresee and analyze situations that would otherwise be difficult to anticipate, allowing them to optimize decisions in real time and reduce risks. Complex scenario simulation is the process of recreating in a digital environment different situations that could occur in a company's operation. With AI and machine learning, companies can predict multiple outcomes, analyze the impact of various decisions, and select the most optimal option. Imagine being able to simulate market behavior, foresee problems in your supply chain, or analyze the impact of a new marketing strategy before implementing it in real life. This is possible thanks to the ability of AI and machine learning to process large volumes of data and generate accurate results. Artificial intelligence has a unique ability to analyze large historical data sets and find patterns that a human could not identify. This is essential for creating predictive models that simulate different scenarios in real time. For example, in the financial industry, companies can use AI to forecast changes in the stock market and adjust their investment portfolios. In logistics, AI can foresee bottlenecks in the supply chain and recommend solutions before a problem occurs. The result is more informed decision-making and lower risk. Machine learning is the branch of AI that allows systems to learn and improve over time. When you implement machine learning in your simulations, models not only predict scenarios based on historical data, but continuously improve their predictions as more data is fed into them. In a business environment, this means that the more the system is used, the more accurate the simulations become. For example, in manufacturing, models can learn to predict machine failures or production interruptions more accurately as more failure data is integrated into the system. The applications of simulating complex scenarios with AI and machine learning are endless. Let's look at some examples. In finance, companies use AI to simulate market behavior, forecast credit risks, and adjust their investment strategies. In retail, retailers are simulating product demand in different seasons to optimize inventories and avoid overstocking. In the automotive sector, companies are simulating the performance of new car models before production, optimizing both design costs and manufacturing times. These use cases demonstrate how simulations are helping companies save costs, increase efficiency, and reduce risks in their operations. The main benefit of scenario simulation with AI and machine learning is the ability to make strategic decisions based on data, reducing the margin of error and improving outcomes. Companies no longer have to rely on intuition or costly trial and error. They can now foresee different situations and optimize resources, improve planning, and reduce risks. By anticipating the outcomes of decisions before implementing them, companies can act with confidence and speed, which is essential in a competitive business environment. Simulating complex scenarios with AI and machine learning is transforming the way companies plan and make strategic decisions. If you want to know more about how to implement this technology in your company to improve decision-making, contact me on LinkedIn. I'm here to help you transform your business with advanced simulations. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep learning how technology can transform your business.